How much would you pay to have your Dodge Ram van look like this? Let me know in the comments section. Those Dodges look good. I really want to see them get a lift kit. Alright, today's video is for Dodge Ram van fans. There's not too much content on Dodge Ram van adventure camper builds. I like how they look. To me, they're the same as Econolines and Express vans. That same old school American box style van that dates back to the 60s and 70s. I would love to see a two-wheel drive lift kit market for these vans. They look really good, and compared to the Ford and Chevy vans, they're priced way cheaper, just under $10,000, and this one only has 87,000 miles on it. When you Google search lifted Dodge Ram van, you'll see this van right here. That's my video right there. I talked about it again here. Like, there's not much content on lifted Dodge Ram vans. That's my video again right there, and this is a 4x4 conversion. So I would like to see the Dodge Ram vans with a 5-inch lift kit like the Econolines and the Expresses. I got more details on this van thanks to one of my subscribers.
Here's the kitchen area. Got the microwave, induction burner stove, got a full sink.
Van on the run. Found a video on that van. I will share some of it at the end of this video. 4-wheel drive Ford Econoline van for $9,750. The catch is it's a non-runner. You want to take a guess at what engine it has? Let me know in the comments. All right, are you ready? You know the answer to this one. It has a bad 6.0 motor with only 68,000 miles. If anyone's interested, this is a different topic, but if anyone's interested in a 6.0 diesel Econoline, make sure there's receipts that it was bulletproofed. 4-wheel drive Dodge van. This thing looks awesome. 100,000 miles according to the ad. If this really is a 100,000 mile van and it's a good runner and it's 4-wheel drive, that's a bargain for a 4-wheel drive van. Who wants to buy this thing? Man, I'm tempted to buy this thing. Looks a little rusted on the undercarriage though. Maybe that's why it's not selling, but man, if it's a runner, that's cheap. Here's an interesting one for sale. $7,800 listed 2 weeks ago. And according to the ad, 128,000 miles, good running, lift kit. What kind of lift kit's on it? Doesn't say, it just says 2.5. Most likely a spacer and a rear lift block. And let's go ahead and take a look at this van. They look really good. I can't get over how great Dodge Ram vans look lifted. They have a stumpier nose than the Fords and the GM van. That's a good looking van. Who wants to buy this one? See how stumpy the nose is? The wheel well actually goes into the door, so it has a better approach angle than the Econolines and the Express vans. That's a really good approach angle on the Econoline. But see, when you look at the Dodge, the wheel well actually goes into the door, so they have an even better approach angle. GM vans like the Ford, the wheel well doesn't go into the door like the Dodge. Hopefully the Dodge Ram van community will start growing a little bit. I would like to see a 2-wheel drive lift kit equivalent to what the Express and Ford Econoline vans have. I would love to see more Dodge vans looking like this. Here's the thing, I will buy a Dodge Ram van, so any company that's up to the task of lifting a Dodge Ram van, I will buy one and let you guys use my van as a donor. Let's get Dodge Ram vans lifted. The video I'm about to show you that showcases this van a little bit, unfortunately there's no details on the suspension, but for Dodge Ram van fans, I hope you guys enjoy it and it inspires you to make some content yourself. I want to see more Dodge vans, more Dodge van content, and maybe see one at one of my meets.
Let's check out the inside of my adventure mobile. I've been wanting a van for a long time. My grandma ended up calling me up and she's like, you know, I have an old camper van, pretty much tore the interior, everything out. So I wasn't digging grandma's paint job on the outside, so I had it wrapped in vinyl, painted the top, kind of murdered it out with black and gray. So this is the whole office area. Post up here, edit photos. Not too bad, office with a view. Have things charging, have my notepad. This is my hangout spot during the day. I got the nice couch set up, and then at night, I just pull it out to a bed, lay this thing down flat, 360-degree views. This thing's getting about 12 miles per gallon. Not the best, but I don't even have to pay for rent, so I just cruise, park anywhere, and I'm good to go.